Recipes are files which contain the state of the machine vision tools. These files can be saved and loaded as desired. Note that the recipes exist independently of the current state of the system. Between application instances, WeldStudio preserves the state of the system. This system state may not necessarily correspond to any particular recipe. Recipes saved from the current camera configuration may be loaded onto different camera configurations, but in some cases, some values may be changed in order to be valid on the destination camera system.